Welcome to Open Chxt Podcast. I'm from Possibilities Beyond and we're taking over. What made you decide to come to America? Are you Renay?
You don't know nothing about me. First time I come a foreign, run out in a marina. 2 minutes, cola bite me.
So you come on work program.
Work program.
What we call a farm work.
Hotel work become
Hotel
work. Farm work.
The transition back to Jamaica was a little bit tough.
Miss the foreign life, you know. I miss my friend them. You miss the US dollars, you know.
Oh, yeah,
Cause you don't know say you work US when you go back home, you're a top man.
Misconception people have of America.
As you come a foreign people think you're rich. No go so.
Open Chxt Podcast.
Welcome to Open Chxt Podcast, a podcast where we have real conversations about real things. Today I'll be your host, Renay. I'm from Possibilities Beyond and we're taking over Open Chxt Podcast. Today I have joining me a comedian, none other than Kemar.
Thank you for having me.
Before we start, I just want to let you know that we are recording live from Cape Cod, Massachusetts, and we are going to be talking about life as an immigrant in America. So, Kemar,
Yes.
what made you decide to come to America? Are you run off?
No, I'm not run off. That thing in my vocabulary. Work program.
Work program.
Yes. It was like say my friend them come a foreign and me want come a foreign to come, experience the life and see, So first me get into it, my brother link me and say yo go on Ministry of Labour.
Yeah.
So I got the wrong Ministry of Labour that was in my hometown.
Oh.
So I call him and get upset with him and say, yo bro, what tell me if you got Ministry of Labour, I got Ministry of Labour, they want tell me to then do a program. Him call me back now and say, I wrong when I go town, if I go town.
Mm-hmm.
Go town now, first time I come a foreign, me run out in a marina and say, yeah, thing good, and my brother him say, yo, you need to go put on clothes and say, I say, yeah, idiot man, what you talk about? You don't know nothing about me. Got there like 2 minutes. I have to run, go back in and put on clothes and say, cola bite me.
So make we back up a little bit. All right. So you come on work program.
Work program.
What we call a farm work.
Hotel work become
Hotel
farm work.
Hotel work you come on.
Yes.
So tell me how that was like, because for me, when me did just learn say me can come America, it was a whole thing, me go sleep, dream about it, wake up back.
Well, me never dream about it. When we just come up, it's like when we started a government program.
Yeah.
It's not like private program.
Yeah.
So when we just come up, the night when we come up, we never did get to sleep because this young man, me not call the name, him snowed down the whole place. If me could rewind back on the day, we don't just like not sleep and just walk out the door just for the night. Because trust me, big people in the house was like say like stuff in mouth.
Yeah.
So first time I go KFC. Yes, KFC at Jamaica good and since some things say KFC up here good. Buy KFC, it was the worst thing me ever do. Waste money. Buy the chicken, when bite the chicken on the top part of the chicken fry, like them just dip it in the aisle and take it out.
No, man, I KFC a bad rap, man. I serious something?
Serious something.
And so when you come, you just come. Which state you come?
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yeah, I think that was the best state ever for me,
I haven't been.
Them say it's more like, nah say it, but you don't matter what, But for me, the experience was good. The work, on and off.
So
not
what
on
were
and
you
off
doing?
working, but people they're not too really waste because they feel like you come to take for them position.
Yeah.
Jamaican people stay.
What were you doing at the hotel?
I used to do stewarding before I start cooking.
Oh.
Yeah.
So now you say your experience with our fellow Jamaicans weren't good.
No, some of them.
How so?
Everybody just off themselves and them inform too much. You see if now you have a second job,
Yeah.
they don't come to you and ask you, oh, you get the second job or if you boss up on the link. They rather if you go to your supervisor or your boss.
So there was something wrong with having a second job?
Yes, because a government program you can have second job.
I see. So now, how long was that program?
9 months.
And you returned home after the 9 months?
Yes.
So was there like a time, being in Jamaica where you couldn't wait to come back a foreign?
Of course.
Tell me about that.
So when I go back down now, you hard to get work because say when you left, you got hard to get back work when you go down. So
Yeah.
me did no one can't get no work and miss the foreign life, I miss my friend them, miss fishing because we used to go fishing up here and thing. So you miss that, you miss the US dollars,
Oh, yeah,
Cause you don't
man.
know say you work US when you go back home, you're a top man. Just cause
Rich
they say,
off.
yeah.
Rich off.
Yeah, so when me go back now and me go meet my friend like me used to talk about down in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And me go back down them and say they think me don't change.
Yeah, so for 9 months.
Yeah, people like do that,
For 9 months.
People come up and go back down and them forget them friend, they don't like them friend and
See about
them
pack barrel and stuff you bring down for your friend them.
No, me bring down things for my friend, but not pack barrel for my friend. Pack
You
barrel
send
for
no
my family.
barrel? You send barrel?
Yeah, me pack barrel for my family and bring things for my family.
Yeah.
But me bring things for my friend, but not like barrel
one man,
packers
two,
in
two,
there.
something.
Yeah,
Yeah. So now, I said the transition back to Jamaica was a little bit tough.
Yeah,
So how long
because
it take you?
you see Jamaica now, me have both I have one girlfriend. So another foreign now you have about 3-4 girlfriends. Is it?
A Jamaica or
No, up here you have about 3-4 girlfriends.
Oh yes, it's
Yeah, man.
So now, so you manage to have 2 jobs and 3-4 girlfriend.
Because you see me, me did like me a vibe man.
Yeah.
So when me go a party, I like dance and wind up on lady and
Oh
so
yes.
this one lady now call her name, see her at party and dance with her and she end up rate me and give me her number and thing and she invite me her yard and me turn her down. So she say what kind of man me be.
Yeah.
Or also a man me ever turn down invitation to her house and see.
Yeah.
So I just tell her say send me her address and I pull up on her and see. That's it.
All right. So after you go back home to Jamaica, how long it took you before you came back?
So I go down me come up 2017, go back down. Never come up 2018. People inform upon me and thing, bring news, so they never take me back.
Yeah.
So it come up 2019, different state.
Yeah.
Different
Which state that?
different state of mind, different everything,
Where was that?
Massachusetts,
Cape
Martha's
Cod?
Vineyard.
Ah. Martha's Vineyard, rich people them place.
Yeah, so them say.
So how was the
But Martha's
experience?
Vineyard is a whole different thing now.
Different kettle of fish.
Different type of thing, better, cause you get used to it,
Yeah.
You're used to it, have experience now, so you're used to it thing and thing. That's me. So yeah, that was different. So when I come on that, that's do stewarding, cause that's the easiest part to get through.
Yeah.
Because they don't really take bartender from Jamaica or
The steward, where's steward though?
wash plate, wash pot.
Oh, that just one pretty word for dishwasher.
Yeah,
Alright.
wash plate, wash pot.
Yeah.
But me not regret if you wash plate or wash
You
pot.
have to
'Cause
start somewhere.
you see me, you learn things too.
Yeah,
You
man.
see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause what you know, if you be a chef, you have to know for wash plate and wash pot and
Absolutely.
them things. And then say best chef come from stewarding.
Yeah.
Cause you learn every blasted thing.
When me just come up here, man, me come up on housekeeping. I remember the when we go for the interview for the visa, the man say, housekeeping? Do you think you know how to do
I
housekeeping?
want to for my visa. Me go for first time I go for my visa. The man look on me go up there and nervous as fuck. And the man asked me 3 questions. First the man asked me where I'm going and who I pick me up. I tell him I know why people don't pick me up, but I know where me I go. You see it? Him say alright. Him say, man ask me a stupid question. Him know he ask me though, but he ask me a stupid question. Man ask me, you gonna send him other money? You see me? So me I say, what kind of question this man ask? But me tell him yes.
Yeah.
So I say, Kemar, you can smile, you're going to America, So I say, alright.
Yes, when you go with your white paper.
Yeah.
You get a white paper.
Get white paper. But you see, them say the easiest way to get in there. Nobody go try, if it work now, because different thing are going. The easiest way to get a visa is through work program. You can never get turned down.
I think so.
Yeah, you can never get turned down.
People get turned down, but barely.
Yeah, me say you get turned down. You can never get turned down. Only way you get turned down if you have criminal record, your mother file for you, or you tell lie. Like you tell lie for no reason.
I'm gonna tell you, so when I came up on J1, so which was a whole different program. Like me personally, I went to college, so I couldn't come on J1. So me can understand that, and I don't know if anybody will ever get turned down. Really feel like one of them the program there.
Yeah, J1 we get visa.
So all right, you
J1.
came up and you say, all right, America, your thing there.
Mm.
How was that?
Not really America, my thing there, you see, but it's a different experience, you know. You learn America teach you a lot, you know.
Yeah.
You learn to stay by yourself, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Teach you say, yo, you know, see family. Cause when you come up here, you know, family, you know, a friend. A few friends have a friend we make, but otherwise you're all by yourself.
And your friend, then we make not really a friend.
Yeah, you know. Yeah,
We
my friend.
associate.
No, my friend them make a real my friend.
Yeah.
We still a chat.
You still lucky that then we
Still
there.
chat. Me a cool you know.
Yeah.
Anybody come around me just rate me. The vibes I'm bring, you see me.
And plus
The
you're a
energy.
comedian.
Yeah. I know that too much. Just the energy we may have.
Since you're a comedian, give me a joke, no?
And some really do it, you know, you see it. No, for me, I'm a comedian different, but me
So
I feel
I'm
just
a comedian.
me,
Miss.
yeah.
Up
Me I
on the
feel that
spot.
me I feel that the you know me I talk about you know the joke hero and everything.
Yeah, right now a serious business we're talking about.
Not really serious business, but right now.
So walk me through you come here, you reach Martha's Vineyard.
Yeah, so I reach Martha's Vineyard and we come up on a boat. By the time I come up, I never know say a boat we go upon, you see it. So we take taxi from 1 hour, me there on bus for drive go we are one place in Woodsville.
Yeah.
It was normal, man, I tell you.
Yeah.
I'll get seasick.
Master.
First time I go up on water, you know, like boat, you know, 'cause you know, say you ever hear about boat a sink and boat a crash and them thing there.
This is so
Yeah.
then I got your mind.
Oh God, man.
So for those who don't know, you know, Martha's Vineyard is an island of a
Yes.
Cape Cod.
Yes.
And is one way out, one way in.
Yes.
Either boat or by air. So if
Well,
you
I never
miss,
go to the airport, I go to the boat.
you go by the boat. And if you miss, you have certain scheduled boat. And if you miss the boat,
You do.
God go with you.
But you want to know what? I'll give you one story. So I got work one day, is it? And we ride bicycle. So a woman come and never see me and almost bounce me off a bicycle. So my friend them a say, "Your brother, you should have jump and ball out. You don't be rich right now."
What's
Yeah. But woman come out I see that me tell her I say me good, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you think about it, you know, you wish you did do that?
No, it doesn't mean to tell lie, you see, cause things become back on you know.
Yeah, man, same way so.
You see it.
So what was one thing you believed to be true while living in a Jamaica where the American now, you know, say all right, no go so.
Oh, the road. The road not pretty. Right now more patrol they'll pay more than Jamaica.
Which part?
What you mean which part? All over.
No patrol in my neighborhood.
What?
Yes, no patrol.
You they call it sick they call it.
I think for me, one thing what me think said never happened, and
Mm.
it was so shocking when it happened to me. Light go away.
Light.
Right.
No, sir, that never happened to me.
Light go away, man.
No,
All
sir.
in a recently, like go away, I told the breeze blow. Probably around here, so where me live. But
Your
yeah,
current
man,
then weak,
power
man.
outage.
Your current then wire then weak, they need to fix them.
Oh
Light
my
when me then light never go.
So let me go ahead and jump into your career. You're aspiring actor.
Oh, you see first time me act. Chabas. Why me going to acting a Chabas, you see?
Yeah.
Him things them entertaining and you know him put out quality stuff.
Yeah.
You see me, so first time I hear about Chabas and my nephew. Ryan, his name Ryan. He have a channel in Ryan Comedy. So I him really put me on to the thing, you see it.
So you have
So
any?
for editing now him show me certain rope. And then me link with this youth named Emoji Prime.
Yeah.
And we go in link me and say, yo, we are do a movie and say, alright, come a town and we go a town and we do a video with Fry Irish.
Fry Irish.
And he used to do comedy and stuff, but him change his life now, so he kinda stop
Yeah.
acting. Yeah, so me now I'm moving him hard though.
Hard door.
Yeah, hard though. It's like a jug
Like
thing.
the bread?
No, it's like a jug thing, it's like jug.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a kingpin, jug, so rubber
So you are
man
the
and them
kingpin?
No, me when I rubber them. When I thief, you know?
So which part we can find the movie?
YouTube, Emoji Prime.
Emoji Prime. Hard door.
Hard though.
All right. So Tell the people them something about Kemar. We don't want people to know about you.
Me know if me tell you certain things you're not gonna believe, you know. Because right now, me never go high school. Is it? But
Maybe you don't go high school.
never go high school.
You only
But
got primary school?
yes, me turn sitting there, can move a lot. So me turn 18 all age school.
So you never too bright.
No, me move a lot. But then me no regret that because me learn enough things and do enough things. Cause me do messy security school.
Mm.
Never do a job, you know. Get
Mm.
certified. Do lifeguard.
Mm-hmm.
Get
Where in
certificate and
Jamaica?
still never do your
In a
work.
school?
Yeah, training and get certified lifeguard and them things, but
Like
never
in
do your
a
work.
high in a college school?
No, that time I left school.
Oh.
Yeah. So me, you know, as me say, me a fast learner.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? But we can tell people so nobody define you or if you no go to school define you.
Yeah.
There's plenty of way out there for you to do other things. So if you no go to school, you can go back to school.
Absolutely.
It's up to what you want, you know.
Mm-hmm.
A young you alone can define you.
Yeah.
So once you believe and trust and trust, I don't say put Father God first. Once you believe, trust and believe in Father God, have faith in Him, He will guide your path. Cause look, you can want a job, and a person have more than you, like degree and them things,
Mm-hmm.
and you end up getting job. Why? Because the attitude where you have,
Or your lived experience.
yeah, and the attitude, or you bring yourself.
Yeah.
Is it? But school differently. I mean, I regret not going to high school because, as I said, I learn enough. And then hotel before me come a program, me used to work on hotel steward. Me start the same way.
Mm-hmm.
So me did have the cooking experience. Cause my brother used to run a jerking center.
Mm-hmm.
So me used to go down one place where them call. Me used to work at Moon Palace. They have a place where them call Borough Bar or something like that. So me used to go down there and fry fries and things. So the head chef come down there, and the chef then they gone a bathroom or something and left me alone today. So the chef said me fi make a wrap for him.
Yeah.
Me make a wrap and fry me fries and eat and thing. So the next day he come to me and say, "Oh, would you like to come over in the kitchen?" Me
Yeah.
say yes, and he make it work. And you know, say me do over in a kitchen for like 2 months. I end up get employed a month.
Oh yeah, so to me.
Yeah, but you know, come like a wrong thing you ever do. We get employed a month and it cards. So me get employed a month today
Mm-hmm.
by like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By Wednesday, me get fired.
Oh,
But the head chef, when the head chef get you a drink on the job.
oh yeah, so to me say.
Yeah, cause we used to drink on the job, you know, we work and vibes and then I drink and thing, you see me. Get room and thing. So wait for you drink on the job, so them boy then call we and talk about breathalyzer test and thing.
How you feel? So only if I drink in that drink, man.
We drink of course.
Me dear.
Look, you know, sometimes you know, at the same time God want you move from a place and you don't move. It make
Mm-hmm.
things happen to you, you know. Or
Yeah,
things
man.
will reach you where you say, you know, say, yo, a few time to move. Cause when we get fire from this, I end up, as that's when we end up come foreign.
But like you say, when God want you to move
Yeah,
from
because
a
look
place.
at when time me did for move, me never move. So me there work one night. And you know, sometimes you down the line, you have to clear line and put in a box, bring nice in there so then can take things and wash them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say me did there and me I walk, take up soup and I walk the damn soup, slip and turn over upon me, burn me up.
Oh yeah, say.
I can't believe say me crutches tear out. The people them where you work with, we expect say, yo, you co-worker them. People turn up a laugh for me.
So from this you should have learned a lesson.
Yeah, and left.
So me realize you know you put God in eyes, so I mean you're a man of faith.
Yeah, but some of the time, you know, say your faith dim in a kind of way. See. But me I learn to just get
Trust
back on the
them.
right path, you know.
Mm-hmm. So now you have kids?
Yes, one beautiful daughter.
Yeah.
Yes.
How has been a dad
Sweet
change
like
you?
me.
What she do?
Sweet like me.
So how has being a dad and she's here.
Yes.
So how has been a dad, in America change your life or impact your life?
Oh, being a dad changed my life or impact my life. You see, when I used to talk about you quit or you know want the job, you have to know say, yo, there's no quitting.
Yeah.
You know, because you have somebody that depend upon you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. when you really have somebody to call your own or something, it make you think different or see life different, you know?
What misconception people have of America or of immigrants living in America? We want to clear up.
As you come a foreign people think you're rich. No go so.
Yeah.
Yeah, foreign a land have opportunity say, but and is that foreign you're rich. You see what you can't tell a youth of Jamaica right now say you don't have it.
Mm-hmm.
You feel say if you ask for $50 or $100 as he ask for it, you take care and give.
Yeah.
Yeah, they need to get that answer that come from experience for
And if you
themselves.
unlearn it.
Yeah.
But wouldn't you say like that type of mentality come from, other people will come up from America and go down there, go either stun upon them or behave like it that easy?
Yes, sometimes. Yeah, people still like that.
Yeah. So if you
But look, you see, living here
mm-hmm.
and coming on the work program, it has totally different something.
You can get to save up all your money and bring
Yeah,
it
and go back
home.
down the yard.
Yeah.
We have them now understand where you say at 2,000 or 3,000 you pay for rent. If you ever had you up, say you do it every minute and you had it in Jamaican, you're mad.
Rich off.
No, you're mad because you know say you had Jamaican pay so much rent.
I know. So what encouragement you have for the youths and whether here or there, what encouragement you have for them to say, yeah, though it kinda hard, you can still make it.
Encouragement. If you want something, you go for it.
Yeah.
Nobody not bring can give.
And that come from a youth where you said never go high school.
Yeah.
You just have street
Don't make
smart.
high school or thing. Education is the most, yes.
Yeah,
But that not define you where you go or who you want to be, right?
absolutely.
You know, you all depend upon your mindset and your attitude. And you know, if you want it, because get it, don't want it, want it, to get it. You see it.
So I have had the pleasure to, follow your socials and see your little skits and stuff like that. How can the viewers find you on
You
social
know, say me
media?
the kind of me tell you the thing is me the kind of do stop do this YouTube or something for a while. Because when you have the subscribe and the watch you and you can't get it, kind of make you think different or say, yo, this is not for you.
Yeah.
You know, because when you see other people start, where you start before them and them start after you, and you see them a fly, you see that kind of you take a different toll or something.
So you get discouraged.
Yeah.
But what do you think? What would you think, they did differently, or do you think it's talent, or do you think it's dedication, or do you think that you just probably potentially have to just, wait a turn?
Yeah, with the turn, yes, talent sometimes. Some people now, let me tell you this, some social media platform,
Mm.
if you not talk people news or act certain way,
You're not getting no views.
you're not the views are not gonna make you have to act outrageous and that is not me, you know?
You're just up in a frack and so.
Yeah, and that's not me. More do it the right way and plus me kinda try cut out certain things. So the bad with things where people are use a certain song and things like that,
Yeah.
me can't do that again. You know, 'cause if you want make sure if you want God for use or God for work with you, you have to give up certain things for him.
Yeah. So you say it's a man of faith right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, try to get
get in
there with
there.
it. Well, that's good to hear. Um, so any last words for the viewers?
Stick out. You see me? Now use your mouth. Don't go down too low, you see it?
What?
You know what I mean? Don't use your mouth, don't go down too low. And sweet. No man nothing love sweet. If you want something, go work for it your own. Go work for it yourself. No look for your, no talk about your want man and give things. No come so.
It's typical for us to, play a game on Open Chat Podcast. So with the game today gonna be truth or dare. So truth or dare.
Truth.
And cause the acting never good make you come off of YouTube.
That can be true and that can be false, you know? Me acting good when nobody now watch me. Is it? When me there behind camera and I chat and I go me foolish. Yeah, but for there in front of other people and like stand up comedian and thing, that is not me, you know.
Yeah, one more, truth or dare.
Truth. The dear thing we don't like.
The dare thing.
You said that truth you ask.
So remember I say you say in America a 3-woman
No, that I did first.
a 3-woman run things.
No,
a
that I did
3-woman
first.
still run
When
things.
when just come to America. You know? No, a one woman run things. You see?
A 1-woman a run things.
Yeah.
Alright, well there you
If when me did it, see if a woman real to you,
yeah.
you stay real to her, but if you find out woman will give you bun her backside back.
So that woman
Me-
are real
me-
to you.
Yeah, me revengeful enough. So if me find out say you cheat on me, you're not gonna like it. But they just left me and doing whatever cheat on me and asking. They just left
Good
me.
dear.
I may do it in front of your face, no regret or no sin.
Go on to the have no man when you don't know when that show you here. So there we have it, another episode of Open Chxt Podcast. We ask that you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.
Subscribe me, here. Subscribe on the YouTube. Like, comment, share.
Open Chat Podcast.
Thailand, but